our ClearPass cluster with publisher and subscriber. And at the time we deployed the factory image of 6.10.0, which was the latest available at that time. But in the meantime, there was an update released, 6.10.1. In this video, I'll show you how we can use the cluster update feature to upgrade the full cluster to that updated version. So let's go. To start, we go into the administration, and then under the agent and software updates, we go to the software updates. You can see that we are registered with our ASP account, and ClearPass should automatically check periodically if there are new updates. And you can see indeed there is an update here, ClearPass Policy Manager Cumulative Patch 1 for 6.10.0. So that will get us updated to the 10.1 release. We can download it directly from the product, so we can just press the download button here. In the meantime, if you don't want to download it from the product itself, another option is to go to the Aruba support portal and then download the update from there. So asp.arubanetworks.com. Then here under ClearPass Policy Manager, you will see the download for ClearPass 6.10 Patch 1. In order to download the file, you will need to be logged in, and if you have a valid support contract on ClearPass, the download button will be activated. Once downloaded to your local computer, you can use the import updates button here to get it uploaded to your ClearPass server. But for now, let me speed up the video to get the download completed. There we go, the patch is downloaded, and the download took me approximately 8 minutes to complete. As a remark, make sure that you always check the release notes for all software that you install or update. So now we have two options. First, we can use the install button here. So that will do an install on this appliance only. But the other option, what we can do as well, is we can go to the cluster update feature. And let's do that for today. Here on the top of the page, you can see the cluster upgrade, which is for major version upgrades. So like when we have 6.11, 7.0, then we can use the cluster upgrade. But for this minor update, this patch update, we will use the cluster update feature. So that's for installing cumulative patches. So that's what we need to do in our case. Here you can see that because we downloaded the patch, it's now available to select for installation. The benefit of using the cluster update is that it will automatically check if the patch is compatible, and it will send over the update to the subscriber, so you don't need to download it on the subscribers or multiple times. But more important is that it will deploy the update in the right order on your publisher and the subscribers, and it will do that one server at a time. So if you have deployed your virtual IPs or backup radius servers, it will mean that the service will be uninterrupted, as at a maximum one server will be unavailable during the reboot. Let's select our subscriber to be included in the cluster update and start the update. You can now see all the steps being performed as they happen. Let's now discuss the manual update. If you really need more control over your updates, you can manually install updates by manually downloading or uploading the patch to each of your appliances, and then manually press the install button to update one appliance at a time. As mentioned, this is not recommended, and make sure that you extra carefully read all of the release documentation to make sure that you meet all the requirements and you get the right order of the updates. You can see the updates are running now. I'll speed up the video again to save some time. So if you're impatient and want to see what's happening, you can click the view logs here, and you can see the download status is completed and the update is still running. And we can see it's now restarting the publisher. And we can sign in again. Here we can see what's new in the version. And now let's get back to our software updates. So one other thing, if we check the event viewer, we can also see that the publisher released its virtual IP, and after the reboot it reacquired it. Let's go back to the update status and leave it running for some other time while the subscriber is updated. And we are all done. The installation process took roughly 30 minutes for the subscriber and the publisher. And if we now check the dashboard again, we can see both nodes are okay. And in the bottom of the screen, we can now see that the running version is 6.10.1.